How to break free from a toxic mindset and reclaim your life. We all have moments when we feel stuck, trapped in our thoughts, held back by doubt, fear, and past wounds. But what if I told you? It's not your circumstances holding you back. It's your mindset. 1. Understanding the toxic mindset. Toxic thoughts can become a prison. They whisper in your mind. You're not good enough. You'll never change. You always fail. These beliefs aren't facts. They're patterns. Habits of the mind. Built over time. Often from childhood. Maybe you grew up around criticism. Maybe you were told not to dream too big. Or maybe you just stopped believing in yourself. 2. Reprogram your mind. But here's the truth. You can reprogram your mind. You are not broken. You are conditioned. And what has been programmed can be reprogrammed. It all begins with awareness. Start observing your inner voice. What does it say when you make a mistake? Does it shame you? Or encourage you? Once you see the pattern, you can challenge it. You can interrupt it. And you can replace it. Instead of I can't, say I'm learning. Instead of I always fail, say I'm growing. Instead of I'm not good enough, say I'm worthy of love and growth. 3. Tools for mental freedom. Here are 3 simple but powerful tools. 1. Journaling. Write down your thoughts and challenge the negative ones. 2. Meditation. Quiet the noise and reconnect with your true self. 3. Environment. Surround yourself with voices that lift you up, not tear you down. You don't have to do it all in one day. Healing takes time. But every step you take counts. Celebrate your small wins. Be gentle with yourself. This journey is about progress, not perfection. 4. Reclaim your power. Your thoughts create your emotions. Your emotions drive your behavior. And your behavior shapes your life. So when you change your thoughts, you don't just change your mind. You change your world. You are more than your pain. You are stronger than your past. You are not your trauma. You are your healing. Break free. Reclaim your power. Your healing starts now. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Remember, breaking free from a toxic mindset is a journey. And every small step forward counts. Don't forget to subscribe to Inner Shift for more videos about personal growth and mindset transformation. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep growing, keep shining, and take care of yourself.